Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of your channel Sav.io.techie. This is your host Savio, and today we'll be discussing about the navigation that we have for Jira. Stay tuned. So let's just quickly jump to our Jira instance, and this is the landing page for our Jira instance that we created in our very first videos, that is learn with Sav.Atlassian.net. And to start with the navigation option, we first get the navigation bar, which is the topmost bar on our Jira instance. And to start with, the option that we get for the navigation bar is the app switcher, which is basically used to switch between the apps that we have for this particular Jira instance, that is learn with Sav. And then we have the logo for the Jira software. If we'll click on that one, it will be getting us to the landing page for which it is set to project directory. And the second option we get is the option of your work, where it shows the assigned issues to us and the boards that we have been recently viewed. And then we get the option of projects. It shows the list of the start project, and we also get the option of your all project and create projects. And then we have the option of filters. As you know, we can create filters in Jira. There can be multiple issues within the project, so we can create filters in order to filter out the issues that we are willing to view or review. Also, we get the option of advanced issue search, which can be navigated from here. And then we get the option of dashboards. As we all know, Jira comes with an beautiful feature of creating dashboards, where we can review the reports and the data that are within a project for the Jira instance. And we get the option of view all dashboards, and we can even create the dashboards from here. And then we have the option of people. This basically gives the list of the individual or the users that we have been collaborating with for our projects and issues. And then we have the option of application. This basically shows the app that has been integrated with the Jira instance, so we can see the application that has been installed under the manage your apps. And or if we click to explore more app, it will take us to the marketplace for Atlassian, wherein we can check out the apps that are there for the Jira integration. We'll discuss this more later in our upcoming videos. And there are chances that if you are using a premium instance, you get the option of plans, which is a part of advanced roadmap feature. And then we have the option of create issue, which is the universal way of creating issues within this Jira instance. And we'll again be discussing about create issues in our upcoming videos. And if we'll go right on the navigation bar, we get the option of universal search. This universal search is very powerful. If we'll search anything on this one, this search bar is gonna search each and everything on this Jira instance. And then we have the option of notification. You see, we get two options under the notification. The first one is the direct notification. That means at any given point of time, if a user mentions us in a comment section of issue, that can be done by typing @ and our name, we will be getting, or we will be notified from this section over here. And second one is the watching section. Let's say you have added yourself as a watcher to a issue, and in any given point of time, issue has been updated, or that issue has been updated, which with any information you will be notified. Let's say someone has moved the status from to do to in progress, you will be notified that this particular issue for which you have set yourself as a watcher is now moved from to do to in progress. And then we have the option of help, which is basically the Atlassian articles, and I would highly recommend you guys to review this one, as it is very empowering. And then we have the option of settings. We have already discussed a couple of them, and we'll be discussing each one of them in our upcoming videos. And we have also discussed the profile and personal settings. If you have not reviewed that video, the link is somewhere right here. Please feel to review and let me know about that video. And then going forward, if we navigate to a project, then we have some more things coming up on our screen. The navigation bar, as mentioned, it's gonna be right there, and it's gonna be with you no matter where you go on Jira. And then we have the project site panel, which is only gonna be displayed once we are within a project. As the name itself says, project site panel, that means when we are within a project, then only it's gonna pop up. If we want to hide, we can even hide that, but let's just expand it for the time being. And it gives us very brief informations about the name of the project, that is Learn with Sav, and it's a software type of project. And here is the option of switching between boards. We can even create boards, and by board I mean Kanban and a Scrum board. New video is coming on the difference between a Kanban and a Scrum board, so stay tuned for that as well. And then we have the option of roadmap. So for Jira, we get this functionality where we can create roadmaps for our project. And going forward, we have this Kanban board, which is beautifully designed, and we have couple of statuses which is already predefined for this particular project. Then we have the option of reports, wherein we can create reports from the issues that we have for this particular project. And we have multiple options for the reports, the agile, DevOps, issue analysis. And let's just navigate back to the project, and then we have the option of issues. This is the area where we can find each and every issues that is there within this particular project. You see, it opens up the filter section, which was again from the navigation bar, from this navigation, the filters, so we can switch between the projects. But for the timing, we only have one project, so that's why it's displaying that. But as we go forward, we'll be creating more projects, and there are gonna be so many issues. So let's just get back to the project. And then we have some development option and the project pages, which is the part of the Confluence. Add shortcut, let's say if you want to add link to this one. And then we have the project settings. So this is the overview of the project settings. We get the option of details, summary, people, permission, automation. So basically this is the backend for the project with all the configuration that takes place on this one. And a quick navigation for you guys is the breadcrumbs that we get, that is on the top of this one. Let's say we wanna get back to the project. If we click on the name of the project, we are gonna directly land to the project. Okay, so now we have discussed the navigation bar, which is the topmost bar for the Jira, and the project side panel, which only pops up when we are within our project. And then this is the main board area, or the main content area, where we can review the issues that is going on, or the work that is going on within this project. This is also called a board area. So basically this displays the Scrum board or the Kanban board as per our configuration for the project. That's all for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care, guys.